In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Redbubble shop. If you are a designer or someone who is just starting out in the print-on-demand world, this guide will help you understand how to create and launch your Redbubble store in a simple and structured way. Setting up your shop correctly is important because it builds your online presence and helps your artwork reach potential buyers more effectively. To begin, open your web browser and go to redbubble.com. Once the website loads, look for the Sign Up option located in the top right corner of the page. Click on it and choose the option to register as an artist. You will then be asked to enter your email address, create a username, and set a secure password for your account. After completing the registration, confirm your details to activate your account. Once your account is successfully created, log in to your Redbubble profile. After signing in, you will notice your profile icon in the top right area of the screen. Click on it and go to your account settings. Here, you will begin setting up your public profile, which is an important step in building your store identity. In your profile settings, you can upload an avatar, add a cover image, and write a short bio about yourself. These elements help establish trust with visitors and make your shop appear more professional and credible. A well-designed profile often encourages buyers to explore your artwork more confidently. Next, move to the Payment Settings section. Here, you will need to enter your payout details so you can receive earnings from your sales. You may choose different payout methods depending on availability, such as online payment services or bank transfer options. You will also be required to complete your tax information to ensure your account is eligible for payments. After completing your account setup, go to your dashboard. From here, click on the option to add a new work, usually found at the top of the page. This is where you will upload your design files. Once uploaded, you will be directed to a page where you can enter details for your artwork. Fill in important information such as the title of your design, relevant tags, and a clear description. This helps your artwork become more discoverable in search results. After that, Redbubble will automatically apply your design to multiple products, such as t-shirts, stickers, mugs, and more. You can then choose which products to enable or disable based on your preference. Once everything is ready, scroll down, agree to the terms and conditions, and save your work. The platform will process your submission and your design will be published. Finally, to view your shop, go back to your profile icon, select Manage Portfolio, and you will be able to see your live store and uploaded designs. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.